Hi guys, this is Edit Halle here, and for some reason this clip, like the audio was missing, which is very odd because all the other clips that I did for this day, it had no problem. But anyway, I was just saying that day we were going to go grocery shopping, and then we were going to meet up with my parents and my sister Bria, and we were all going to go to the Tanaka Farms Hikari Festival of Lights. And yeah, that's about it. So roll the clip.
On the count of three, can we all say Merry Christmas? 1, 2, 3.
Merry Christmas! Good job.
You did nothing.
There's nothing there. Oh my god. Are you gonna go? Go get it. Happy Monday. So excuse my hair right now and the fact that I'm wearing PJs, but I just got out of the shower and I'm just kind of like resting in some loungewear clothes until it's time for me to get ready for Patrick and I's late night festivities, which I will get to that later. But yeah, Remy's here because he had to be here. He jumped at the chance to sit on my lap at my desk. But I just spent an afternoon at the DMV. And for those who do not know, I got married back in September. So I've had to, I've basically been in a process of changing my name for the past 2 to 3 months. So I started with the marriage certificate and getting that sent in after we got married, and then waiting for that to come in the mail. And then thus I was able to change my name at the Social Security office. And then the next step, which we're at now, is changing my name on my driver's license. So I did that today. It actually wasn't that hard. So I went on the DMV applications online and applied for my new driver's license. I think the one thing that was weird when I got there was basically online, it only had a button, which was 1, to renew your driver's license, or 2, to start your driver's license. So if you've never had a driver's license before, that was the button to click. So it was either between those two. So I was like, well, technically I do have to renew. And then by the time I got to the end of it, it was telling me to take a written test. And I was like, that's really confusing. So I just waited until I got to my appointment today, which was very nice. Online too, you can also, get yourself an appointment so you don't have to stay in the DMV too long. So I did that. So I had my appointment today. I think I got my appointment set up for today, like back in like mid-November. I think it was like even before Thanksgiving. But yeah, I specifically called off of work so that way I could go to the DMV today because I didn't know how long it was going to take. But yeah, luckily, by the time I got there, he was like, you don't have to take the written test because your driver's license, you don't have to renew it. Your driver's license literally expires within like 2 years, so you don't need to take the written test. So I was like, oh, thank God. So yeah, basically they just ask for your marriage certificate, your receipt from your social security card that you issued in your new name, and your old driver's license. Luckily in California, I already had my real ID because I got my real ID attached to my license back in 2021. So it was pretty easy. They didn't have to like go through too much to identify it. So I got a real ID attached to my driver's license, which is nice because I think they're issuing that you have to, in the state of California, have a real ID by May of next year. But luckily I don't have to go through that. They just needed to know based off of my marriage license what my new address is, and that was very helpful. So other than that, I've gotten 2 out of those 3 things done. So I probably won't get my license until almost the start of the new year, probably, most likely. So I probably won't be able to get my passport stuff processed until the new year. So wish me luck on that. But as long as I've gotten these 2 things set up with my social security card and my license, everything should be fine government-wise of all the things I need to do. I do have to call the bank sometime before the new year and try to get a new card and with my new name and try to do an issue of that. And I think I just have to fill out, certain banks do this, I'm pretty sure mine will do the same, where you just have to, you have to notify them by calling them, which is usually the number on the back of your card. And then once you call them and you let them know, then they will help you fill out an application to do so. And that will probably mean adding in your actual copy of your marriage license or marriage certificate, what have you. So yeah, but that is all as far as the update on the name lore of me trying to change my name, because it has not been easy. I think they do now have a thing where you can get like this, it's like a company that has like a box thing where it sends to your house. And it basically, if you're changing your name after marriage, it gives you like a checklist as well as like a lot of the things in your state that you need to get filled out in order to change your name on all of those different things that I just brought up. So yeah. But other than that, that was all today. I think I stopped at my mom's house just to hang out and eat lunch there. And then I went to the car wash, and then I came back here and freshened up because Pat and I, once he gets back, we're going to go for a late night viewing of Wicked, which we have not seen yet, but I am really excited. My parents and Bria saw it not too long ago, like earlier this week, and they really liked it. So I've been such a fan of Wicked for a long time. I was a choir girly back in middle school and like half of high school. So there has not been a time where Wicked has not been any song from Wicked has not been a score that we have gone through at least once. So love it. I can't wait to see it. But yeah, so I will see you guys when we go to the movie theater.